Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the built-in scale and tare function on THERMOMIX TM6. The scale automatically turns on when you are using a recipe from your downloaded recipes. I'll demonstrate that first, then I'll show you how to open your scale manually. So let's get to my recipes, then oh no, I'll go to I wanted to see all recipes, but yeah, I do have the pre-installed simple ideas. Now let's open for example the almond milk. And now let's start cooking. It is placed, let's click on next. And now you can see it opens the weight, the scale, and it automatically tears it. So now if I go back and go next, it's going to begin on 0 grams because that's how it works. Now let's go home and let's turn it on manually. I'll actually close the recipe. Yeah, when you slide to the right page, you'll find scales, and then it will turn it on. You can click on tare to tare it, then you can put ingredients in it. It will weigh them. The maximum is 6 kilograms, but it will weigh up to 3,000, about 3,000 grams. And yeah, you can tare the scale. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.